According to reports and data, the global acrylic fiber market size is expected to reach $6,893.8 million in 2030 and register a revenue CAGR of 3.3% during the forecast period. Increasing application of acrylic fibers in manufacturing of apparel, home textiles, toys, and auxiliary tapes, among others, is major factor expected to drive market revenue growth. Rising demand for clothing and attire driven by rapid increase in global population, increasing number of families and individuals opting to purchase homes and apartments supported by ongoing urbanization trend, and rising demand for automobiles globally due to increasing disposable income, changing lifestyle, and improving standards of living are major factors that are supporting growth of the fabrics, carpets, and automotive industries currently, and driving revenue growth of acrylic fiber market to a significant extent.